everybody, my name is Sundar Sonone. Welcome back to my channel Pharmacist Sundar. Today we are discussing about October heat. October heat refers to the unusual rise in the temperature during the post-monsoon season, particularly in tropical region like South Asia. While the monsoon season usually ends in September, October brings a sudden increase in temperature and humidity, often leading to discomfort and health risk. This phenomenon is particularly common in urban areas, where the effects of climate change, pollution and lack of greenery intensify the heat. Let's discuss with causes. First one, post-monsoon climate changes. After the monsoon, the withdrawal of clouds and rains leaves the atmosphere clearer, allowing more direct sunlight to hit the Earth's surface. This combined with the lingering humidity creates an intense rise in temperature. Second one is urbanization. Cities tend to experience higher temperature due to the urban heat island effect. Building, roads and concrete structure absorb the heat during the day and release it at night, preventing the environment from cooling down. Third one is climate change. Over a time, global warming has caused erratic weather pattern, including prolonged period of heat even after the typical summer month. Effects on health. First one, dehydration. October heat often leads to excessive sweating, causing loss of water and essential electrolytes from the body. This can lead to dehydration characterized by dry mouth, dizziness and fatigue. Second one is heat stroke. In severe cases, prolonged exposure to high temperature can result in heat stroke, a life-threatening condition that requires immediate medical attention. Symptoms include high body temperature, confusion and loss of consciousness. Third one is respiratory problems. Increased heat and humidity can exacerbate respiratory issues, particularly for those with asthma or other lung conditions. Additionally, air quality tends to deteriorate during this time as a pollutant get trapped in the stagnant air. Fourth one is fatigue and sleep issues. The combination of heat and humidity can disrupt sleep patterns, leaving people feeling tired, irritable and less productive during the day. Coping strategies. First one, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Incorporating hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon and citrus fruits into your diet can also help maintain hydration. Second one is wear loose, light clothing. Light color, breathable fabrics like cotton allow better air circulation and help keep your body cool. Avoid synthetic fabrics that trap heat and sweat. Third one, avoid peak sun hours. The sun is strongest between 10 am and 4 pm. Try to stay indoor during these hours, especially if you have to engage in physical activity. If you must go outside, wear a hat or use an umbrella for shade. Fourth one, use fans and coolers. Air conditioning, fans or coolers can help maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Keep windows and curtains closed during the hottest part of the day to block out sunlight. Fifth one, eat light meals. Heavy or spicy foods can increase body heat. Go for smaller, lighter meals that are easy to digest like salads, fruits and yogurt. Long-term solutions. Addressing October heat on a large scale requires urban planning and environmental changes, planting more trees, creating green spaces and designing buildings with better ventilation can reduce the heat island effect in cities. On a global level, tackling climate changes through sustainable practices and reduce carbon emissions is key to the mitigating future heat waves. Conclusion. October heat is an uncomfortable but manageable phenomenon. By staying hydrated, dressing appropriately and limiting outdoor activities during the peak heat hours, individuals can protect themselves from the adverse effect of heat. At the same time, awareness and collective action towards the climate change can help reduce the intensity and frequency of such an extreme weather condition in the future.